11 signs of a bad transmission shift solenoid auto care secret. Did you know that over 90% of transmission problems come from just one small part? Welcome back to Auto Care Secret, where we uncover the hidden truths behind your car's performance. Today, I am going to show you the 11 warning signs of a bad transmission shift solenoid and what they mean for your car. What's a shift solenoid? Before we dive into the signs, let's quickly talk about what a shift solenoid actually does. A shift solenoid is a small electronic valve that controls the flow of transmission fluid inside your car. This fluid is what makes your car shift gears smoothly in an automatic transmission. The solenoid gets its signals from the Transmission Control Unit (TCU), a computer that decides when to shift gears based on input from your car as sensors. Whether you drive an automatic, manual, or CVT, the shift solenoid plays a huge role in keeping your transmission working right. You'll usually find it in the valve body or transmission control module. Alright, let's get into the 11 signs that your transmission shift solenoid is going bad. Symptoms number 1, delayed gear shifts. If you notice a delay when your car changes gears, that's one of the first signs. This happens when the solenoid fails to send the proper signal, slowing down fluid flow inside the transmission. The result, hesitation before the gears engage, which can cause jerky acceleration or sluggish performance. Ignoring it can lead to increased wear on transmission components over time. Symptoms number 2, stuck in gear. Ever felt your car won't shift out of first or second gear? That's a classic symptom of a stuck or failed solenoid. When the solenoid can't properly regulate fluid pressure, your transmission may refuse to upshift or downshift, leaving you stuck in a single gear. This puts extra stress on your engine and can even cause overheating if not fixed quickly. Symptoms number 3, erratic or rough shifting. If your transmission feels like it's shifting randomly or harshly, your solenoid might be sending wrong timing signals. You might feel sudden gear changes, jerks, or even double shifts. That irregular fluid flow can cause premature wear and make your driving experience rough and unpredictable. Symptoms number 4, transmission warning light. When the check engine or transmission light pops on, your car is trying to tell you something. A bad solenoid can cause fluid pressure issues that trigger a system alert. Don't ignore that light. Scanning the vehicle with an OBD tool can reveal solenoid-related trouble codes that point to the exact problem. Symptoms number 5, slipping gears. If your car unexpectedly changes gears or loses power, that's a serious red flag. A faulty solenoid can cause inconsistent fluid flow, leading to gear slippage, which means the transmission disengages briefly. This can cause power loss or sudden surges while driving, making your car unsafe, especially at highway speeds. Fixing or replacing the solenoid early can prevent major damage. Symptoms number 6, strange noises. Hearing clunking, whining, or grinding sounds when changing gears? That could mean your transmission solenoid is failing to manage the fluid pressure correctly. The gears may grind or engage roughly, causing those unusual sounds. If you hear these noises, have your transmission inspected immediately before it causes internal damage. Symptoms number 7, hesitation or jerking while accelerating. Does your car hesitate, jerk, or surge when you step on the gas? That hesitation often happens because the solenoid isn't allowing enough fluid flow at the right time, causing delayed gear engagement. It feels like the car can decide what gear to go into, and that's the solenoid struggling to do its job. Symptoms number 8, limp mode activation. When your car detects a major issue, it might enter limp mode. This safety feature locks the transmission in a single gear and reduces engine power to prevent further damage. A bad solenoid can trigger limp mode because the transmission control unit detects an irregular fluid pressure signal. If you find your car suddenly stuck in low gear and won't rev high, the solenoid could be to blame. Symptoms number 9, poor fuel economy. If you've noticed that you're burning through more gas than usual, a malfunctioning solenoid might be behind it. Improper gear shifts force the engine to run at inefficient RPMs, increasing fuel consumption. Replacing a faulty solenoid can help your transmission shift more efficiently and restore your fuel mileage. Symptoms number 10. Burning smell. Smell something burning while driving? That's never good, and it often means overheated transmission fluid caused by poor fluid circulation. When the solenoid fails, friction increases inside the transmission, which can scorch the fluid and emit a burning odor. If you notice this, check your fluid level and color right away, and replace the solenoid if needed before more serious damage occurs. Symptoms number 11. Transmission overheating or performance loss. When a shift solenoid fails, your transmission can overheat or lose performance, especially during long drives or in heavy traffic. You may notice sluggish acceleration, hard shifts, or the transmission refusing to engage gears properly. Ignoring these issues can quickly lead to expensive transmission repairs. Final thoughts. So there you have it, the 11 signs of a bad transmission shift solenoid. It's a small part, but as you've seen, it can cause huge problems if ignored. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's best to diagnose the solenoid early using a skin tool or visit a trusted mechanic before things get worse. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Auto Care Secret, and turn on notifications so you never miss more hidden car care tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, right here on Auto Care Secret.